For the function f of x is x squared plus 4x minus 3, part A, we're asked to find x when f of x is 18. So we want the function value, we want the output to be equal to 18. Well, the output is the function value. So we want x squared plus 4x minus 3 to equal 18. So we want to solve this equation, and it's a quadratic equation. Since I see that x squared, or whichever variable we're working with, I see that variable square. All right, so to solve this equation, our general technique is first, let's get the one side equal to 0. So I'll subtract 18, yielding x squared plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now, I need to factor that trinomial. After we get the equation set equal to 0, then we factor. So let's do a little side work here. I see it's a 1x squared. Let's look at the factors of negative 21 and their sum. So let's see, I'd have 1 and negative 21. That's negative 20. I'd have 3 and negative 7. That's negative 4. Okay, so if I just switch the signs, I'll get positive 4. So negative 3 and positive 7 would give me a positive 4. Okay, so that tells me that the trinomial factors as x minus 3 by x plus 7, and that's equal to 0. Now we apply the zero factor property, or zero product property, as this textbook calls it. So we would then say that x minus 3 is 0, or x plus 7 is 0, or both. So if x minus 3 is 0, adding 3 to both sides, x equals 3. And if x plus 7 equals 0, subtracting 7 from both sides, x equals negative 7. So there are two values for x that make the statement true. If x equals 3, or if x equals negative 7, f of x is 18. Answering part B. Part B says to find 2 points that lie on the graph of the function. Well, we already know that when x equals 3, the output is 18. We know that f of 3 equals 18, and we know that f of negative 7 equals 18. What that means is when the input is 3, right? If the input is 3, the output is 18. And if we recall what that means from a graphical perspective, that means that the point 318 is on the graph. Similarly, the point negative 718 is also on the graph.